Class 10 students, I welcome you in maths class, and the students those who are not present or their parents have not allowed them, I welcome them in the virtual e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Today this class is very important for you, and I can say that today you are going to learn 4 marks questions for your board examination, and that is construction. Because we already know that because of 30% reduced syllabus, the construction of the first part, that is the similar triangle, has been already removed. Now you are very fortunate that you have only one exercise is left for your construction, and that is related to circle and tangent. There are only 7 questions. So these 7 questions are, you can say that atom bomb. From these 7 questions, one question is very sure of 4 marks. If you make yourself skilled in constructing those 7 questions of circle chapter related to tangent, you can make sure that I have prepared 4 marks for my maths examination. Then 4 marks your fixed deposit, and then we have to prepare only for 76 marks. So this today I am going to take class, and that is meant for 4 marks for your board examination, and this one is construction related to circle and tangent. We already know that what is tangent? Tangent is the line which touches the circle at one and only one point. Anyone please read the question number 1 loudly. Stand and read the question number 1.
Draw a circle of a radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct a pair of tangents to the circle and measure its length.
Okay. Now this is the rough diagram of the figure. You have to draw a circle of radius 6 cm and 10 cm from the center. We have to draw a pair of tangent. Now please take out your scale and pencil and draw a line segment of 10 cm. Draw a line segment of 10 centimeter, and please put a mark on 6 centimeter. Put a mark on 6 centimeter. Yeah, देखिए please. This point is O. A is 6 centimeter and B is of 10 centimeter. This one is 6 centimeter and here this one is 10 centimeter. Okay. Understood? Now take your compass, put the metal point at O, and take a radius of 6 centimeter and complete draw the circle. Okay. You have completed this portion? Yes, sir. Now, don't reduce the length of arc of 6 centimeter because we have to find the perpendicular bisector of OB. This one is 6 centimeter. Now, again put the middle point at B and draw 2 arcs. One arc is above and one arc is below. Okay. By joining this intersecting point, you will find the midpoint of OB. So join this one with dotted line. Join this one with dotted line and put a mark on OB. Let this point be M. ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? M हो गया. Okay. M is the midpoint of OB. Again take your compass. Put the metal point at M. Put the metal point at M. Okay. And take the radius equal to OA or OB. Take the radius equal to OA and OB and draw one more circle that will pass through O and B. That will pass through O and B. find that the second circle will intersect the first circle at two different points. Let this point are C and D. Mark this intersecting point on first circle met by second circle as C and D. Take your scale. Join BC and BD. Join BC and BD. So here your construction is completed. My dear students, one more thing I would like to tell you, that many of the students are thinking that step of construction is must. It is not must. I am telling you directly. Nowhere in the question you will find that it is mentioned to write the step of the construction, because we teacher directly see the construction. If the construction is correct, we will give the full marks. But please mention the length or what measurement is given of the radius or line segment. You have to mention it. Okay? You understood this question number 1? You have completed in your copy. Now read the question number 2. Construction number 2.
Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on a concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation.
Okay. In this question, and what I suggest you, before doing the final construction, I suggest you to draw a rough diagram. Here you have to draw 4 centric circles of two radius of 4 cm and of 6 cm. This is 4 cm and suppose OA is 4 cm and OB is 6 cm. Now here the second part of the question tells us, from this A you have to draw a tangent. You have to draw a tangent. Okay. Now suppose this point is C and D. Then two things you have to do. You have to measure the length of the tangent. Find the length of the tangent by actual measurement and also by mathematical calculation, and prove that the measured length of the tangent is equal to the calculated length of the tangent. मतलब उस tangent का हम लोग लेंथ दो तरह से फाइंड आउट करेंगे. पहले क्या करेंगे, स्केल से मेजर करेंगे. दूसरा हम लोग मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट है, उसके आधार पर हम इस सीधी का मेजरमेंट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ठीक है ना. और उन दोनों को प्रूव करेंगे कि उन दोनों का वैल्यू सेम है. ओके, चलिए गेट रेडी. नाउ टेक योर स्केल इन योर हैंड. Take a point in your copy, somewhere in the middle, and draw a line segment 6 centimeter vertically down. Put a mark on 6 centimeter as well as on 4 centimeter. Let this point is O. This one is 4 centimeter. This one is 6 centimeter. You got this one? Point. Have you done in your copy?
Yes, sir.
कर लिया बच्चों? Take your compass in your hand. Put the metal point at O, and when you put the mark of 4 centimeter, draw the first circle. Draw the first circle. My compass is very loose, so that's why I am taking a little bit more time, my dear student. Okay. Now, second time you take the radius of 6 centimeter and complete the concentric circle. Take the radius of 6 centimeters and complete the concentric circle. Okay. Here you write A and here you write B. This OA is 4 centimeter and OB is 6 centimeter. OB is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now take protractor in your hand. Take protractor in your hand. Okay. At A you have to make an angle of 90 degree. Why 90 degree? We take this one with the help of theorem 1. What theorem 1 tells us that radius is perpendicular on tangent at point of contact. So on point of contact, if I make angle of 90 degree, obviously that line will be the very good. So here make an angle of 90 degree exactly at A. Put a notation here. Now here you write here C and here you write here D. Okay. Now the first part, measure the length of the tangent. Measure the actual length of the tangent by the ruler. Ruler से इसको measure कीजिए CD कितना आ रहा है? Measure length of the tangent CD. कितना है मुझे बताओ?
8.9.
8 point. Anyone else?
9 centimeters.
9 centimeter.
9 centimeters.
9 centimeter. Anyone? Any other measurement? और किसी का? प्रिंस आपका कितना आया? 8 point. That will come 8.9 centimeter. Not exactly. देखिएगा. और 8.8 something आया. Exact value. देखिए. Now, here the calculation. अब देखो जो मैं कैसे कैलकुलेशन कर रहा हूं. Join OC. Please look at the board. What is the measurement of OC?
6 centimeters.
Very good. OC is equal to in right triangle OAC. OC is equal to 6 centimeter. Why I have mentioned right triangle? Because in class 9 you have studied one theorem that perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord, and from this is already 90 degree. This one is 90 degree. OA is equal to
4 centimeters.
very good. OA is equal to 4 centimeters. So from Pythagoras theorem we are in the condition to find the value of CA. The CA is equal to 6 square minus 4 square. That is equal to 36 minus 16. That is equal to 220. That is equal to 2 into 4 square into 5. That is equal to 2 root 5. Now, अब हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा बच्चों? 5 का वैल्यू निकालना पड़ेगा. 2 to जा 4, 5 minus 4 1 into 4 here decimal 0 0. 4 2 जा ये जाएगा हमारा 84. 2.2 यानी कि 2 into 2.2 और इसके बाद the digit will come that will come more than 2. So approx value will be 2.3. 2 3 जा 6 and 2 2 जा 4 centimeter. या 2.2 ही लेंगे तो our value will come close to this one आ जाएगा. What will be the value of CD? Twice of CA. So CD is equal to twice of See that is equal to 2 into 4 point, इसको आप 5 ही रखिए, ठीक है ना? 2.2 ही रखो, 2 point तो जाएगा हमारा 8.8 सेंटीमीटर, ओके? तो 8.8 और 8.9 both are almost same. अब यहाँ पर अगर if you keep here 2.6 that will come 8.89 or something. So here you can prove that these both values are almost same. यहाँ पर भी आप 8 ही लिख दोगे 8.8 सेंटीमीटर. So this one is the measured value and this one is the calculated value. So the what theory we have studied in class 9 and 10, this is the practical application of this theory, and what we have proved that the theory and practical, both value of theory and practical both are correct. Okay, so have you understood? Please note it down, practice it. God bless you.